My name is Gary Ding, and I'm the vice president of the ProtoFab company, and the company is based in Frankfurt, and our master company is located in Xiamen, in Shanghai, or in China. We are getting into the SLA market since just starting at the beginning of the 2000, and right now we have a very wide range of machine solutions. And right now you can see we just work together with Scelta and on the Italy market, and this is one of the biggest machines on the world. So far, our company is very known in China. We have the best machine solutions on the Chinese market. Right now, we are also come to the Europe. Of course, we want to get strong partners locally as well, because the Scelta is one of our best choice. And we choose Scelta as a partner just because the Scelta provide very good after sales to our customers, and also to have a very good relationship with our customers locally. And through this kind of cooperation, we strongly believe that we can achieve a very good get into the market in the coming years. If you see the part here, this part is just built in one slot, and with our machine solutions, it really have a best accuracy and also the best surface quality, and you don't need to assemble it. It's just made in one piece. 非常高兴来到这儿跟 Scelta 一起合作，这是我们世界上最大的一个样架，我们非常欢迎来这里面参展。